Bensia lead pencils. This pencil cost about ₹8 and Link is having the Bensia product now, and this name Bensia are those who bring the lead type pencils to the market before 20 years itself, and now this kind of pencil is familiar with all students, but the Bensia brand brought this kind of pencil before 20 years itself, but after many years we can't find this brand in the market, but now Link has brought back the Bensia brand with this pencil. The same mechanism but from a brand by Link. The name Bensia shows the quality of this pencil even at this price point. Looks nice. Body graphics is nice. The same mechanism but with your brand. Look at the eraser. Fantastic design. At this price point ₹8, it is worthy to have a branded lead changing pencil. This pencil gives students and even officials a sharp tip at every use, which makes this pencil a nice writing feel. The lead is strong. Altogether a nice pencil from Bensia and Link at this price point ₹8. It is a worthy product. Thanks for watching.